Hello friends, next part in DBMS is data types. Which are the data types in DBMS? First one, varchar 2 or simply varchar. Second one, char. Third one, number. Fourth one, long. Fifth one, date. Sixth one, raw. Seventh one, long raw. First one, varchar 2 in bracket size. Size means the number of characters. Varchar 2 data type is used to store the letters, characters, or it combined with letters and numbers. Okay, size means number of characters. Okay, this data type is used to store variable length alphanumeric data. Okay, it is used to store variable length. The length is not fixed. Okay, it can increase also. Alphanumeric data. Alphanumeric means alphabet and numbers. Okay, if it contains only alphabet, then also you can use varchar 2, or it combined with alphabet and numbers both. Okay, example, you have a USN number. Okay, USN number contain what? Alphabet and number. Okay, some contain what? Alphabets and numbers. Number of characters cannot exceed the specified size. Okay, here the size is, if assume size is, if you mention 10, okay, it should not exceed more than 10. The number of letters should not exceed more than 10. If you enter less number of characters than specified size, spaces are not appended to the right of string. Okay, if you enter less number of characters, assume you mentioned 20 characters, okay, you enter only 10 letters, okay, then the spaces are not appended. Okay, assume your size is 20, you enter the letters 10, so 10 spaces remain. Okay, that space are not appended to the right of the string. Its value is added inside single quotes. You have to write the string within single quotation. Next, second type. See example here. So here name contain characters. Okay, designation contain characters. Okay, so here EMPID it contains only numbers. So if it is only numbers, don't use varchar data types. Only it contain letters, or sometimes it contain letters and numbers. Then you can use varchar 2 data type. Second one, char. This data type is used to store fixed length alphanumeric data. It is used to store fixed length. Varchar 2 it is variable length. Okay, and this one char data type fixed length. The length is fixed. You can't vary the length. Number of characters cannot exceed the specified size. Okay, if you mention the size here 20, okay, so you should not enter more than 20 characters. Okay, maximum is 20. If you enter less number of characters than specified size, spaces are appended to the right of string. Okay, so here if it is 20, you enter only 10 characters, the 10 spaces get appended. So its value is fitted inside single quotes. Okay, you have to in this char data type, whatever you enter the value, that you have to put in single quotation. Next, third one, number, p comma s. This data type allows us to store numeric values. This data type allows us to store only numeric values. Example here, EMPID, all numbers, basic, DA, HR, it contains all numbers, no characters here. Okay, if such values, then number data type is used. Precision P allows to specify maximum digit within a number. Okay, P is a precision. Okay, so example number 5, comma 2 means what? 5 digits you can mention. Okay, 5 digits you can mention. So in this example here 101. 101 digit is how much? 3 digits. It contains 3 digits. Okay, so here 20,000 contain what? 5 digits, like this. Clear, no? That is the size. P is the precision. Scale yes allows specifying digits after decimal point. If you want to mention decimal point, 0.50 paisa. Example, 100 rupees 0.50. 50 is the paisa. Okay, two decimal points. If values of scale is not mentioned, then its default value is 0. Okay, if you not mention the p value, it mentioned considered as 0 by default. If value of precision is not mentioned, then the default value is 38. If precision value not mentioned, then default value is 38. Maximum number of digits allowed in a number is 38. So maximum you can number of digits is 38. Okay, so in this example 3 digits are there. Okay, 1 2 3. So in this example 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there. Okay, like this maximum 38 you can write. Then long data type. This data type allows us to store variable length string up to 2 GB. Okay, so how varchar2 and char data type, it is used to store the string, the letters. Similarly, long also it is used to store the letters. Okay, if assume the string is up to 2 GB. Okay, many contents are there, many texts are there. Okay, so at that time char and varchar2 not sufficient. Okay, so if it is more number of characters, then long data type is used. You can store up to 2 GB of text. Next, date. This data type allows us to store date in format dd, month, yy. Its value is fed inside single quotes. Okay, date data type is used to store date values. For example, this is the date value. Okay, date value, date of joining year. Okay, what is the format? 2 digit of day, then 3 letter of the month, then 2 digit of the year, like this. You have to put within single quotation. Raw data type. This data type is used to store binary data such as images up to 255 bytes. If you want to store images, photos, then raw data type is used. It up to store up to 255 bytes. To store the images, raw data type is used. Next, last one is long raw. This data type is used to store binary data such as images up to 2 GB. If the image is big, okay, up to 2 GB. Okay, if you want to store the images up to 2 GB, then you have to use long raw. This simple raw data type up to 255 bytes. If the image is more than 255 bytes, then long raw data type is used. Clear, no? Okay, so how your texts are there, numbers are there, you can add the photo also. Okay, images also. If you want to store images, raw data type is used. Okay, if the image is bigger than 255 MB, 255 bytes, then you can use long raw data types. Clear, no? Okay, thank you.